foremost, Sagittarius. Let's talk about those Sagittarius. Let's talk about how it's an archer. You see that arrow right there. Their domain is within around November 20th to December 20th. This is the 9th house, and it is your fire sign. Again, this is the archer. They are mutable, liable to change. Y'all should understand what a mutable is by now. We done went through it a few times. So mutable means you're liable to change. So, you know, Sagittarius, you can probably work with a Sagittarius. So let's keep it moving. These fire signs are passionate, creative, spontaneous, inspirational, competitive, and powerful. If they ain't got the power yet, they're looking to acquire it. You know what I'm saying? These are Sagittarius are ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter rules Thursday. So on Thursday, you know what I'm saying, you're more prone to experiencing or expressing Jupiter energy. Jupiter is associated with expansion, good luck, long distance travel, and higher knowledge. So you know how we just had the conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn. The Saturn being associated with constriction, which we're gonna go into with the Capricorn next. But Jupiter being associated with expansion, good luck, and higher knowledge. So understand, you know, it's a split happening. Yeah, you could go to the Saturn energy, be in the lower self, or you know what I'm saying, that higher knowledge is right there. We in the age of Aquarius, so it ain't that hard. You know what I'm saying? The Sagittarius probably was feeling yourself. You know what I'm saying? These are generous, idealistic people, great sense of humor. These are your optimists. We love an optimistic person. So if you're looking for an optimist, find you a Sagittarius. But you gotta be wary. They promising more than they can deliver. They real optimistic. They a little over optimistic. Okay, these people could be impatient, uncensored. They're gonna keep it real with you. You know what I'm saying? That higher knowledge from Jupiter is gonna keep it real with you. You know what I'm saying? These people are curious. Of course, if you into Jupiter, high knowledge or understanding, being open-minded, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be curious. These are energetic people, philosophical people. Again, curious, open-minded. Jupiter, you gonna get some philosophy out of that. You know what I'm saying? These are extroverted people who will do anything to achieve the goal. Okay, so oh man, no, I gotta keep going, man. I gotta okay, all right, come on, we got a few more. We finna finish. Okay, we'll do anything to achieve goal, honest and patient. These are extroverts, philosophical people ruled by Jupiter. Their likes are changes, so they like to change. I know a lot of y'all don't like change. Well, the Sagittarius like change. You know what I'm saying? I like change too. So you know what I'm saying? I got some Jupiter in my chart. So Jupiter energy in my chart. So like freedom, travel, philosophy, outdoors. Me and Sagittarius can have a conversation, you know what I'm saying, with some philosophical people, you know what I'm saying? Just like the Virgos, you know what I'm saying? That's that fire sign. And you know what I'm saying? Don't forget they're mutable, they're liable to change. These are clingy, or no, they dislike clingy people. They dislike constraint. So you know what I'm saying? The opposite of Saturn. And they dislike off the wall theory. So if you say something, don't say nothing crazy to no Sagittarius. They about that high knowledge, bro. They're not gonna listen to you. But they, you know what I'm saying, like attention to detail, and they're compatible with the Gemini, you know what I'm saying, the air sign, the twins, and the Aries, which is a fire sign, you know what I'm saying. Usually signs get along with each other because they got those things in common, being passionate, creative, blah, 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 powerful, and competitive, da, da, da. Anyways,